Tell me how your family react to your strange interest.
My parents are quite often in Krakow, at least once a year, and sometimes they come with friends. So I make always, I guide them through Kazimierz. And once my father, he said, "Oh, I have to make you a compliment," and I was, because it happened before that he said, "I have to make you a compliment." And he said, "Your knowledge about all this Judaism and is really amazing. And where did you learn all these things?" And that was his only reaction. On my mother's side, there was one reaction, and this, but not maybe two. When this book about Gabi's grandfather was published in Germany, our local newspaper, they were writing an article about me and the story. And at the end, in the last paragraph, the reporter wrote something that now his next research will be about the Jewish ancestors in his family. Only just 2 sentences. And no reaction of my parents, and suddenly my mother sitting there and reading this article, saying nothing, and then she said, yes, I don't know why, but I had always such a strong love, or could feel such a strong connection to the Jewish people. And then she started to cry and went out. And then her second strong reaction was when here in Krakow we visited together the exhibition in the Schindler Museum. And after half an hour she couldn't stand it anymore, so she had to run out. I followed her and we were sitting in the coffee house, and she was crying all the time, and saying not much, just what happened, and to our family asking these questions and crying all the time. And just a few weeks ago I was at my parents'. They are now in the middle of the 70s, and they still have a house, and my brother was also there, so we started talking about what happened in the future. And with the house and so on, and suddenly my mother got up, went to her small cupboard, taking out a small box, very old-fashioned, and this box was full of coins, some 2-3 strange hors d'oeuvre for wandering in the Alps. You got the gold medal for 50 kilometers or 3 mountains, and the coins from the 19th century with Kaiser Wilhelm, later from the Weimar Republic, and also from the Nazi time with swastika and Hitler and so on the coins. And among all these coins was a badge, round, written in English and in Hebrew, "I am a Zionist, Ani Zioni," and we all were watching on, staring, and then I asked, "What's that? From whom is it? Who?" And this is for me, it was such an, absurd situation, that you have this small wooden box with some silver and mirror on it and a little bit kitschy, and inside all these coins, and then suddenly this golden button, I am a Zioni, Ani Zioni, I am a Zionist. I have it here in this brown bag, I think. So this was for me, I don't know how old it is, I don't know from
Show the camera.
which time.
Thank you.